Okay, today is August 15th, 2017. This is a part 2 update, just showing where the low pressure system has moved away and is developing a lot of thunderstorm activity over Nebraska, Colorado. We can see a lot of this low pressure, uh, this thunderstorm moisture rushing up towards this low pressure system. Right here, we can see the path right here, which is not really blockaded. Later in the loop, it firms up that barrier, that blockade firms up and continues blocking the monsoonal moisture that should be moving up into Arizona and California and New Mexico. So we can see that happening in the last several frames of this loop. So this is all the rain that California should have gotten last night, beginning last night. Let's go back to let's go to the water vapor map. We can see what's happening. We've got jet stream flow right here, which is attempting to dive back down towards California, but we see a right angle right here. And there's a low pressure system right there trying to develop, and they've got some power on that, microwave power. We can see a right angle forming right there, and that will prevent the counterclockwise development of that little weather system right there. Also, right behind this, we have a blockade right here, which is preventing the jet stream flow from getting into this low pressure that's trying to develop right there. Right out here, same thing. We've got a counterclockwise spinning pattern right there, and of course we see a right angle forming right there, right on top of that low pressure system. The vortex is right dead center where the tip of the pin is, right there. And this, of course, is preventing any moisture from wrapping around and getting into that low pressure system. High pressure flows into low pressure, and that's what we're seeing, or what should be happening here is the moisture should be flowing into that low pressure center. But that center is blockaded. We can see the right angle, which is preventing the moisture from getting into that center. All right, let's take a look at the big map, the northeast Pacific water vapor loop. Now the same thing is occurring right here just north west of the Hawaiian Islands. And of course the Hawaiian Islands are always protected from any sort of severe weather. We've got a lot of thunderstorm activity down to the south and off to the southwest of the islands. But no matter what, these islands are always protected from hurricanes. And look what's happening right up here. We have a counterclockwise spinning low pressure system. And there is a right angle right here, small one, but it's there. And that is separating this little frontal system, which is peeling off in a clockwise manner. That's the high pressure from the descending air. We've got a transmitter right here generating that right angle, and that is peeling away this developing frontal system. So that is the purpose of these right angles, is it splits the frontal system away from the vortex, which is spinning right here. Otherwise, this would all wrap around. This is low pressure, and it would attract more moisture, and that's what's happening. And last evening, we had jet stream flow right into California right over here, and we can see that area of high pressure is still being maintained. We've got a transmitter right in this area bulldozing all this moisture away from Arizona, New Mexico. We've got the jet stream coming through here, down. And so this will continue. We had chemtrails last night as this system moved through. We had zero rain. Let's look at the Doppler map. We can see what's happening here. All this rain is now dumping in Nebraska right up here. A lot of severe heavy rain up here, and also in Colorado. If we zoom in, it looks like there might be a little bit of a sort of a right angle right here. Doesn't look like any of these NexRad transmitters are doing their work. Normally we would see a lot of a breakup of this moisture, this precipitation, but before I made this video, I kind of zoomed in a little bit and looked around. There are certain areas that are being chopped up. But by and large, this is being allowed to move through and dump a lot of rain. But out here in California, we got nothing. There was a little bit of drizzle here and there, but probably nothing measurable. We can see that there's just nothing in the state of California. I see tiny amounts up here near Lake Tahoe. But these terrorists that are controlling our weather have stopped another opportunity for rain. We see the jet stream once again here trying to move down through the state, and preparations are being made. We've got this high pressure rebuilding, and so tomorrow will be probably warmer with this pattern. They're going to maintain high pressure here and prevent anything from getting in from the south or from up here in the northern area. See a low pressure system right there. This should be dropping down and also delivering some wet weather. Okay, so that's the update, just a quick update. Let's look at some of these other maps. Here's the southwest water vapor map, and everything is being pushed away. We've got high pressure installed right through here. Same story. We're looking here at the East Pacific water vapor loop. We have some thunderstorm activity down here. There's a couple of disturbances listed on the hurricane map. Both have a 0% chance of formation in 2 days. Here we have a developing low pressure system which has a transmitter right on top of it. We can see the water vapor flowing right into that low, right in here. High pressure flows to lower pressure, so that's what we're seeing here. And as soon as this moves into that vortex, it's evaporated immediately because they've got a transmitter right on top of this. And that is preventing the development of this area of low pressure right here. And of course, we've got clockwise rotation here developing. That's the high that's being installed in this area. We've got a thunderstorm right here being blown apart right over Texas. Big supercell right there being targeted. Okay, so that is the report, and we will get another update out tomorrow. Okay, that's it.